What's up, man? Once again, it's your boy Chinchilla, man. You dig what I'm talking about? Back up in this bitch. You dig? You know what I'm saying? Obligated to the motherfucking game. Man, I want to talk to y'all for a second, man. About these old Instagram females, man. Like, that be texting a nigga and they be like, they don't even be knowing you, right? And they be like, I love you, and send me a gift, and I know y'all niggas ain't sending these dames no gifts and stuff, man. I just know y'all ain't sending no gifts, man. No calling cards and, you know what I'm saying, gift shop cards and, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that, man. You feel me? I really don't understand what's going on. And then on top of that, all of them phone is broke. Every single one of them, they phone is broke. Man, red flags, man. Red flags, you hear me? My phone is broke. I need a new phone. It's always some weird excuse, you know? Like, you don't know who behind that phone. You know what I'm saying? It could be an uncle in his drawers. You know what I'm saying? On some perverted shit. It could be her grandma behind the phone. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no telling, man, who behind that text. You know what I'm saying? But shit, I won't let them motherfuckers get me like that. Ya understand me? I won't let them get me like that. You know what I'm saying? They crazy though, man. Then after a couple texts, they be like, is it alright if I say I love you? I don't give a damn what you say. I just, yeah, chilling on it, man. Yeah, chilling, making these boxes and stuff. Yeah. What's happening with you?
I finished scooping and cleaned up some and just waiting another 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
12 minutes. I leave it too. Oh, and a lot of my hand.
Your hand messed up.
Yeah, from scooping though. It doesn't cramp up like it used to. It just gets numb after scooping so much.
Yeah.
It goes numb on me and I just gotta shake it out.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. See, he probably be the one to tell the female back, I love you too, baby. You know what I'm saying? Spitting Geico lizard looking ass motherfucker. You dig what I'm talking about? Built like a whole ocean worm looking ass motherfucker. Tell the whole, yeah, I love you too. Yeah, right. I ain't got nothing for you but the blues, man. Nothing for you but the blues. But you know, I've been hitting them with their own shit. You know what I'm saying? I've been getting them before they get me. You know what I'm saying? When I feel like they finna say some old crazy shit, I hurry up and drop a text. Can you do something for me? She be like, what? I be like, man, yes or no. She be like, yeah. I be like, give me a gift card. She be like, damn. I was gonna ask that same shit. Beat you to the punch, ho. Over there looking like a motherfucking chicken nugget like a bitch. And tartar sauce like a motherfucker. She a bird. You gotta put in a bird trap, man. You know what I'm saying? Can't let her make it, man. See, they had this Me Too movement, right? And these hoes done lost their motherfucking mind. I'm talking about that Me Too movement. That stuff done created a monster. You know what I'm saying? Now these hoes is aggressive, man. You know? Now they grabbing on niggas' crotches and all kind of crazy shit. You know what I'm saying? I might have to file me some charges on this. Sexual harassment charges, like. Cause you know I'm a virgin all over again. You know what I'm saying? 20 years in that penitentiary with no pussy, man. You know what I'm saying? That classified me a virgin all over again, man. So this dick going to the highest bidder. You dig what I'm talking about? So when a hoe try to get this, man, she gotta come correct, man. I'm talking about, ain't nothing free about this shit, man. I'm smoking on the same shit you smoking on, man. You know what I'm saying? That's how you gotta feel, man. You know what I'm talking about? You can't just sell your soul for a jelly roll, man, cause the bitch got a pussy and you horny, nigga. Go jack off or something, nigga. Go get that shit up out your system. You know what I'm saying? Go read a book. Go, you know what I'm saying? Filter that energy through something productive, man. You dig what I'm talking about? Because these brides are scandalous, nigga. They scandalous. But I play the game how it go. You understand me? I play the motherfucking game how it go. Like this bride, she thought she was gonna sell me a dream. She like, I'm in the army. We just raided a village. All this gold and this money. I need an address to send it to. And I'm like, shit, send it to your mama, bitch. The bitch like, I'm gonna send it to you. I said, bitch, I ain't got no house. I'm in a halfway house, bitch. The bitch like, I need your information anyway. So I'm like, what? Like, I wouldn't give you a chicken bone, bitch. Bitch, I don't even think you know your asshole. I don't think you know your motherfucking asshole compared to a hole in the ground, bitch. Bitch, you wouldn't even know what you was looking at if it was playing at an all-night theater, bitch. Like, bitch. Bitch, you lost, bitch. You got to be serious lost. And then a lot of these bitches is motherfucking is toothpick hustling. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking picking up soda cans and shit type shit. Right? Cause the bitch a bad bitch. But the bitch ain't got no money. The bitch don't even know her potential. You know what I'm saying? All she want to do is what Megan Thee Stallion and them talking about and stick the hand out. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about off the TOP. But what the bitch don't understand, like, bitch, damn, play your cards right, bitch, like, bitch. You know what I'm saying? You might not get it from me. You got the right game, but you got the wrong player. You know what I'm saying? You might not get it from me, one of these suck-ass niggas. You know what I'm saying? You can finesse them and just chill and be still and try to keep it real until you see an opportunity and then capitalize on that opportunity and let it come naturally. But now, bitch, off the top, you want to stick your hand out and ask for some money? Like, bitch, you know what I'm saying? That's like a needle in a haystack type hustling, bitch. Like, you might find a trick every now and then, bitch. But motherfucker gonna see through that shit, bitch. That shit watered down, bitch. That shit transparent like a motherfucker. You old ratchet ass, baloney eating ass, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Busted. Beer can ass, bitch. Bitch built like a motherfucking upside down toothpaste bottle. And you think I'm finna break bread with you? All right, man. Square business. You think I'm finna break bread with you, bitch? And you built like a busted can of biscuits? I'm talking about you got these skinny ass legs with this big old pot belly, big ass titties and shit. You need a motherfucking a titty reduction with all this shit on your face, teeth out of there. You know what I'm saying? Old beer can drinking ass, bitch. I ain't got time for that. These hoes crazy, my nigga. They ain't doing nothing but making it hard on the next bitch. That's all they doing. Making it hard on the next bitch. You dig? When I get a hold of a bitch, man, that's it. Turn me loose. Eat the cake. Eat the motherfucking cake. Fucking up. Yeah. It's a shame how a nigga gotta play all these games and shit, man. Life just done turned into a big old Monopoly board, man. But fuck it, you know what I'm saying? I'ma pick my piece, man. And I'ma go ahead, roll the dice and go around the board, man. You did what I'm talking about, man, cause mama raised a winner and not a chicken dinner, man. You did what I'm talking about. You know what you do with them chicken dinners, right? You know what I'm saying? You put them motherfuckers in the microwave, then you put them motherfuckers in front of the TV and you watch the motherfucking show. But you know what I'm talking about? I'm the motherfucking show that they motherfucking watching. You know what I'm saying? That's why the motherfucker don't understand like this. I'm the show you hoes watching, man. And then you gonna try to turn this shit around and use this shit on me. Like, man, you motherfucking hoes is crazy, man. Game recognized. Game. Yeah, you might see me right now, you know what I'm saying, up in this motherfucking warehouse working and shit. You dig what I'm talking about, man? But that's just for the motherfucking season. That's just, you know what I'm saying, to make these people happy. You dig what I'm talking about, man? But I'm a real street nigga, man. You dig? Seeing is believing, man. The proof is in the performance. You just gotta see this motherfucking shit unfold, man. You dig what I'm talking about? Yeah, you gonna see this shit unfold, man. It's gonna unfold. You know what I'm talking about? I used to try to work when I was younger. And shit. I'd go to the bathroom and never come back. I'd be like, man, let me use the bathroom. Hasta la vista. You know what I'm saying? Hasta la vista. Like a motherfucker. And get the fuck on.